In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to grow a YouTube channel fast in 2019. And stick around till the end of the video because there's a good chance you're doing it wrong. YouTube Simplified. For more videos that help you deliver your value through online video, be sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. Look, we're talking about YouTube growth. I'm not going to bore you or extend this video with a bunch of fluff that doesn't really contain any valuable content. I have a simple message that I want to share with you, and it's going to be contrary to what you probably hear in other videos that talk about growing fast on YouTube. And the reality is, the advice that I'm going to give to you is that by slowing down and being deliberate in your process, you're going to have much more success on the platform. A lot of people think that they just need to keep pumping out content in order to grow faster. The reality is, when people do that, they tend to pump out poor content and they never really improve. What you really want to do is focus on improving your content over time. And again, get a video up. Don't be super concerned with whether or not it's technically perfect. It won't be when you start on the platform. That's the way it goes. But then be critical of the video. Identify what could be better. Could you make the lighting better? Could you make the video better? The way you edited it. All of these things can go into making that next video a little bit better. And then don't overwhelm yourself by trying to improve every one of those things. Just pick one of them. If you want to make a better video next time, maybe you're going to focus on lighting. Maybe it was kind of dark in your video. So find ways either through natural lighting or adding some lights to your video to improve that. And then after you do that, maybe there's some opportunities to improve your editing. The important thing is when you slow down and you take stock of the process and you actually identify areas to improve, you are much more likely to grow faster on the platform than simply trying to put your head down and pump out as much content as possible. Another advantage of this approach is avoiding burnout. A lot of people try to go 150%, maybe for the first 6 weeks, they're pumping out a ton of videos and then they just hit a wall. And, when that happens and you're not able to make content or you've lost the desire to do that, including speech, it's much more difficult to continue on, and it's much more difficult to be successful on the platform because it is such a marathon. You really need to put in the work over a long period of time, 1 year, 2 year, and be dedicated to that process and have a consistent schedule. When you try to go way beyond your means in the beginning, you're setting unrealistic expectations for yourself, and it's much more likely to result in failure by you just getting completely burned out and walking away from the platform. So here's what I recommend if you want to grow faster on YouTube in 2019. Slow down. Focus on what your ultimate goal is, make content, identify what you did well and what you did not do well, and try to improve on your next video. Repeat this process video after video. Find a schedule that you can actually maintain that works with your schedule. Maybe it's only one video a week. Then make one video a week and then just strive to improve between those videos. You're going to get much farther along in your ability to make a quality video, and that in turn is going to lead you to success much faster on YouTube. And hey, don't forget, this video is sponsored by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is one of those tools that every YouTuber, every successful YouTuber needs to have in their arsenal. It's the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. You can actually download it for free at trytubebuddy.today, and it just integrates right into your browser. So when you upload a video, it'll be there with the tools embedded on the upload screen, and it just provides you with a lot of convenient ways to save time in your video process, which is also going to help you grow faster here on YouTube. So again, that's trytubebuddy.today. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for a long time, way before they sponsored any content on my videos or on my channel. So I highly recommend you give them a try. And because you can try it for free, there's really no risk involved. So check it out, see if it works for you, and get on your way to improving your content and becoming more efficient in that process. I'm really interested, guys. How are you approaching growth on YouTube? Are you trying to do that hustle 110% approach and pump out a ton of content? Or are you being deliberate and patient and focusing on how to make quality content and improving that content over time? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts on that. That's all the time we have for today. I appreciate you watching this video. My name is Dan Courier, and you're watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.